Williamstown ngiza straight eTongqe. King Williamstown. I am coming 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m. So
King Williamstown OR Tambo Hall pa elokishini eZwelisha.
zobe sikhona nge-prophetic pillowcase service. Details are on the screen.
On the 31st, I am in Port Elizabeth. Port Elizabeth, I'm coming for you. On the 31st, it will be 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m.
Ufuna ukuthi wazi injani ekathi kuphela ekumele isale ekhaya kule nkonzo enkulu. La siyobe sithandazela khona ama-pillowcase ulethe imbewu ye-100 rand egameni likaJesu waseNazareth. Don't forget, I will be seeing you on 1-on-1. I am coming to Darkwall, Port Elizabeth. Abaphuma abantu bonke baseGqeberha, iUteneg, kuphuma iGrahamstown, kuphuma iJeffreys Bay, baphuma abantu kwindawo ngendawo, because ibalekile. Bring your pillowcase. Ngicela ukuthi uyabazi abantwana bakho bafeyile esikolweni, uyabazi abantwana bakho abalala ebusuku, uyabazi abantwana bakho bahlushwa ngama-drugs, uyazazi izinto ezehlela umuzi. Ngifuna wazi ukuthi uhlula abathakathi uyobe adila nemizi. Bamba ngikhuluma nawe, wena ngikhuluma nawe. It's important. You must come to this service egameni likaJesu waseNazareth.
And then George, on the 1st, I am coming for you. At George, I will be in Choloha Primary School. It will be prophetic. When I see you, I shall prophesy.
George, it will be Saturday on the 1st of August.